You've been told that magic is about force. Do the right ritual, summon the right spirit, charge the talisman at the right time, and reality will just bend to your will. And yet, how many of you have actually done it? Magic is not about imposing your will on reality, and it's not about tricks. It's about shifting reality around you without struggle, without resistance. Magic is not about struggle. It's not about force, and it's not about effort. The weak push, the strong pull. The fool strains against the current. The master becomes the current. If will stops and cries why, invoking because, then will stops and does not. If power asks why, then is power weakness. Magic is not about explaining, convincing, or forcing. And it's not about tricking people. You know this already. The strongest people do not strain. They do not force. They radiate. They glow. Real power does not feel like work. Real power feels like joy. When you are aligned, reality moves. Not through effort, not through struggle, but through play. This is why Crowley said that a person doing their true will has the inertia of the entire universe behind them. At that point, there is no more effort. There is no more struggle. There is no more trying, only being. The greatest magicians enjoy their own existence. You do not need to fight. You do not need to explain. And you sure as fuck do not need to ask for permission. You must become. You must stand so fully in your will that the rest of the world has no choice but to follow. Do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law.